there's the ATV. That's the stator. So far that's what I figured out. Checking out on the internet. I already changed the CDI box. The coil for the spark plug. The only thing left, they said, now would be the stator. Pretty easy to take out, took like 10 minutes. There's the stator. They told me I can test it with an ohm meter. Between wires. See, I got a short there. They told me between other wires I should get like 50. That's open. That's open. I got a short between one. So I figure. Problem is that. So I ordered the one on eBay. Should come in before next weekend. And just put it back on. This little baby should ride. Been at it now for a few months. So if there's anybody out there that thinks that's not the right thing to do there, let me know. Thanks.